When's the last time you really had a party? You really enjoyed yourself. You had a great time. You invited friends over, or you went out with them and you said, "Man, this is just wonderful. I've really been blessed. I won the lottery," or "I got a raise," or "I got a job," or "the wife and I are pregnant." Whatever the good news. And you're so busy and having fun and all the rest that you've stopped to say, well, there's one thing missing in the party. You know what that is? Yes. Yes, you do. Saying, you get down on my knees and give thanks to God. I've shared it, the blessings, with all my good friends. I've shared my faith with them. Now I'm sharing my wealth or the good news, we're going to have a baby. I'm sharing that too, because everything I have has come from God, and it's precisely coming through me, and now I'm sharing it with you. Thank you for being at my party. I hope you'll come again on Sunday, every Sunday. Join me and Jesus and all the people at Holy Cross as we really celebrate and give thanks.